Hey guys, this is Jake with EDC Leather. Today we're going to be looking at a new product that I'm releasing on the website. It is these here. These here are 12 by 8 by 3/8 sheets of acetal copolymer or Delrin. Although these aren't technically Delrin brand is the acetal homopolymer, and this is the acetal copolymer. The difference is the acetal homopolymer, whenever you laser it, it creates a little bit more toxic gases. Whereas this stuff, while it still does create the same gas, it's not nearly as bad. So whenever you guys are lasering this stuff, make sure you have good ventilation on your lasers. Now, 12 by 8, you guys might think that's a little bit of a weird size. Well, 12 by 8 is the working area of a K40 laser, which is our lasers that we have in the back. And they are amazing entry lasers for anybody who's wanting to get into making stamps, making acrylic templates, offering customization on Etsy. I know that's a really big thing, doing customization, just like engraving a name on there or something onto your leather work. Big laser. It is one of the cheapest and easiest to get into lasers. Last time I checked online, we were looking at about $400, $450 for a laser. By the time you get done spending the money to get your water cooling loop up and everything, you're looking more at probably like in that $450 to $550 range, because you can spend like $50 on just getting all the parts and ventilation pieces to get it going. This stuff is awesome. Here is this plate. You guys might remember this plate. This is from the 5-minute Stamping a Field Notes cover video. She has held up beautifully. This 3/8 inch thick is, we think, right about the perfect thickness for right about everything that you'd be doing. It can do light clicker work. I mean, I wouldn't run this through a clicker every single day, like 200 knife sheaths through a clicker every single day kind of deal. But for the most part, if you're using an arbor press, it's good. Like if you're using a jack press, if you're using an arbor press, works perfectly fine. This stuff has insane detail also. I have a little piece here. I'll also include I'll include a picture of that and overlay it in the video so that you guys can see it. That is from the circle that we made to put into this Field Notes cover. You can do super duper fine work. This here is one of our name tags for our holsters. We put the model on all of our holsters so that it's easier for us and easier for a customer to find our products. And the stamp looks way better than engraved. And it doesn't get like char everywhere. You can also do things like this here. This is a logo for a local education organization, and so we did a card wallet for them and made this stamp, stamped it on there. Looked awesome, guys, awesome. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that this stuff is going up on the website. We're going to be selling these sheets for $24, I believe, is what we're going to be selling them for. Shipping on these is probably going to be about $450. So total, you're looking at like $28.50-ish. By the time you guys, if you go to our website and put it in your cart, you should be able to see what shipping cost will be. But yeah, that is it, guys. Hope y'all have a great time. I'm going to edit this video, get her on up, get this product online. Super duper excited for this once again. I am the laser guy in the shop. I love this stuff. I love helping people at lasers. If you ever need any help with your lasers, shoot us a message and we'll be able to get you guys where you need to go. Make sure to check out our Facebook at facebook.com/EDCleather. Make sure to check out our Instagram. Our Instagram handle is EDC Gunleather, I believe. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you all later.